Good morning, student. Today we will see the total quality management (TQM). First, our basic principles of operations. Operation means it is the art of winning war without actual fighting. और second definition जाइए तो it is the application of quality of the product, transportation solving method, then queuing theory, then network analysis. First, we will see the what is quality. Quality means it's often to it means it used to signify excellence of a product of services that customer satisfied need, meeting the customer requirement. Then second, we will base the C of the total quality management. First, what is TQM? TQM describes the management approach long-term success through customer satisfaction. सर्विस भी हमें अच्छी देनी है और कस्टमर को भी सेटिस्फाई करना है और प्रोडक्ट के बारे में. All members of organization participate in improving process of product and culture of which they work. It is strategically data for communication to intersect of quality disciplinary into culture activities and organizations. हमें वर्कर्स को ऐसा एटमॉस्फेयर भी देना है कि जहाँ से वो आसानी से वर्क भी कर सके और बेटर रिजल्ट भी आ सके. देन मेन 8 प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ TQM. TQM के मेन 8 बेसिक प्रिंसिपल्स है. वी विल सी योर figure for 8 principles of TQM. First principle, we will see the strategy and systematic approach. Second is fact based on decision making. Third, improve customers improvement. Fourth, communication. Fifth, process cemented. Sixth, integrated systems. Seventh, total employment involvement. And last 8, customer focus. There is a 8 basic principles of TQM. Total techniques of TQM. First technique is joint problem solving. Second is brainstorming. Third is method of analysis. And fourth in planning for just in time. We will detail see the techniques of TQM. First, joint problem solving. It is the key of success introducing TQM within an organization involving task group and quality circle, which is continuously improvement of quality based on systematic approach to joint problem solving. The basic principle of is based on depersonalizing conflicts by diluting emotions and do systematic approach. Second is integrating the objective of the organizations and the people working in it. Then brainstorming, data collection. Analysis of the quality problems order to determine solutions to be based on collecting the quality of performance. That means quality of data performance. Collect the quality of customer, then we will satisfy the customer need and improvement of our product. When it is simple such as the number of rejects and reason of rejects particular line, we are more complex of cost analysis. The process of collecting data is based first on brainstorming list and factors likely continuously of particular situation. कस्टमर को सेटिस्फाई करना है, प्रोडक्ट इम्प्रूवमेंट करनी है, तो मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट है कॉम्प्लेक्स ऑफ कॉस्ट एनालिसिस. हमें कॉस्ट भी इतनी रखनी है कस्टमर को विच सेटिस्फाई कस्टमर नीड सेटिस्फाई हो सके. देन ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग. ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग मीन्स इट इज़ द वे ऑफ गेटिंग मैनी आइडियाज पॉसिबल ऑन प्रॉब्लम सॉल्यूशन शॉर्टेस्ट पॉसिबल टाइम. जो भी प्रॉब्लम हुई उसे शॉर्ट टाइम में हमें सॉल्व करना है और सॉल्यूशन फाइंड आउट करना है. इट वर्क्स मोस्ट इफेक्टिवली वेयर ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल रिस्पॉन्डिंग विद इन द framework. Then what is framework? Don't discuss, build on other suggestions, then go for quality and be imaginative. That is brainstorming. Then methods of analysis. All data has been collected and need to analyze. That is possible to identify the most important cause of the problem. There are mainly four methods of analysis. First, Pareto analysis, paired comparison, matrix analysis, and causes and effect of diagram. And last, our techniques is just in time. It is the inventory management just in time, which is raw material components delivered from the vendor to supplier immediately before they are needed in the manufacturing process. मैन्युफैक्चरिंग प्रोसेस स्टार्ट हो उससे पहले कस्टमर के पास और कंपनी के पास नीड रॉ मटेरियल पहुंच जाए, ऐसा जस्ट इन टाइम मीन्स तुरंत ही हमें सॉल्व करना है इस प्रॉब्लम को. दैट मीन्स ऑपरेशंस बेस्ड. Then basically just in time program directed towards ensuring the right quantities of purchased products at right time, and there is no waste. Right quantity, right time, and there is no waste. Second is purely material control system. It bounds without fail of just in time. That means it is purely material control system, and however it bounds to fail with just in time. It fits well under the TQM umbrella, that means total quality management umbrella, all over group work. Then many of the ideas techniques very similar, and moreover just in time will not work without TQM in operation. Advantages of just in time: it is disciplinary program in improving productivity and reducing the waste. This program leads to cost effective production or operations and delivery of only the required goods or services and correct quantity all the right time and right place. This is achieved with the minimum amount of resources, facilities, equipments, materials and peoples. And finally we will conclude all our TQM techniques and 8 principles of TQM. We are correct selection and techniques vital component of successfully TQM implementation plan. It is can be divided into simple tools and solving specific problem, complex that cover all function within the company. The usage of the scope of techniques and the product characteristics should be considered carefully. Then here we have see the total advantage techniques of TQM, total quality management, 8 principles. Thank you.